Okay, once again I'm starting the video this way. This video was meant to be posted on Valentine's Day. It just wasn't. I was lazy, I didn't edit it in time. And yes, I am laying in bed. Because I'm sick as So, enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in a sec. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alec, or Aubrey, or whatever the you want to call me. And welcome to this week's video. Now, before we get into the video, we're gonna take care of the elephant in the room, my eye.
What the f is that?
Yes, it is red. I do not have, like, colored contacts in. If you've ever used Krylon eye blood, which, if you saw last week's video, is what I used to dye my eye, you're not supposed to do it when you have contacts in, because it kind of just, stains the contact. So I can see just fine, my vision is fine, but my contact is dyed red. And you're probably just thinking, why don't you just get another one, blah blah blah.
Because I'm not going to waste a perfectly good pair of contacts.
Because I've done this once before, and it eventually washes out of the contact, and it's not red anymore, and you don't have to worry about it. And yes, it looks a little crazy. I fully realize that. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing another Valentine's Day look, but this time it's not going to be drag or spooky. It's just going to be a normal, like, wearable, everyday makeup for your Valentine date, you know, throw on a good lash, maybe a little sparkle in the eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my base off camera because you guys have seen it before, and we will get right into the eye look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stick around, and let's get right on into the video. We are back. My base is on. I'm feeling fresh, fun, like I have pink eye. So I'm gonna go in with the eye. So I'm gonna start off with my Tarte Shape Tape as my little base for the eye. And I'm gonna blend that out with my Morphe M173 brush. So what do you guys do for Valentine's Day? I usually wait until the 15th and then I go and I buy all the discount candy. For my eye look today, I think I'm gonna keep it very simple. So I'm gonna go in with these eyeshadows by Makeup Geek. Yes, the palette has gone through it. I've had these for like 3 years. I'm gonna start out with Cocoa Bear here. That is one of my favorite eyeshadows ever, on a Morphe M573 brush, and we're gonna use that as our transitional color. So we're just gonna throw that in the crease, blend her out, and I might even take it about halfway in. Next I'm going to go in with Mocha from the same little palette. It is a Makeup Geek shadow, and I'm just going to put that on the outer portion of my eyelid, just to really deepen that up, give it some contour, some definition. And now I'm just going in with a Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just going to blend that all together. This has no extra pigment on it. I generally like to keep this brush pretty clean. That way I can really just use it to blend out those shadows. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with my favorite ever eyeshadow ever on this planet, and that is Pink Champagne by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm also gonna spray it down with a little bit of setting spray. Cool, time for eyeliner. And I'm gonna be using the NYX That's the Point eyeliner pen. As you guys can see, I have very hooded eyes, so I do what is called the bat wing technique with eyeliner. As you guessed, the liner is wildly uneven.
Oh my god. It's okay.
But if I sit here and fuck with it, I'm just gonna have two giant wings. So we're gonna go in with the same thing I did on the upper eyes and the crease under the eyes, and I might throw in a little black. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Corrupt shade in this little palette, which is the black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye, just to kind of blend it in with the liner a little more. For the little pop of glitter and a little bit of color, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Rose Glitter. It's one of my favorites. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to pop that right on the inner corner of the eyes. The glitter's on. It's looking very fun, very pretty with a little pop of color.
Party.
I'm just going to go throw my lashes on off camera. You guys just see me do it. I'm going to be using my Lily lashes in the style Miami, and I will be right back and we'll finish up this look. We are back. I have done my lashes. These, again, are the Lily lashes in the style Miami, my favorite. So let's keep going with the look. So for blush today, I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Blush. This is in the shade Luminoso, and this used to be everywhere. I don't remember who used it. I'm pretty sure it was like Manu MUA or something, and I tried to get this for months. It took me months to finally find a store that wasn't sold out of it. But it is still to this day one of my favorite blushes. For highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighters. This is in the shade So Hollywood. I'm just going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Alright, so we have the highlighter on. Now, usually, you guys have seen me, I go in with the highlighter. But again, this is like a little date look, so I thought I'd tone it down, be very demure, sensual woman. You know what I mean? You feel me, gal?
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
All we have left to do is lips, and then this look is complete. So for lips today, I was kind of debating. I didn't know if I wanted to do a nude lip or if I wanted to do more of a bold lip. But I think I landed on just a nice little pinky nude lip, just to really go with everything. I'm just gonna line my lips with Strip Down by MAC, one of my favorite lip liners of all time. And then I'm gonna go in with Lovecraft by Kat Von D. I got this in like a holiday collection, that's why it's so small. I don't think I would ever buy the full size, because we all know about Kat Von D. And then, last but not least, I'm not really a gloss type of person. I just think it makes my lips really sticky. But I recently got this Revolution Makeup The Nightmare Before Christmas lip gloss. This is in the shade Sally, and I have to try it. I really do. Now, again, the only reason I bought it is because of the packaging. I really like the way it looks, so I'm gonna try it. It's this really pretty pink with glitter. Let's see if it's really, like, bold or... Alright, you guys, and this is the finished makeup look for a little Valentine's Day date. What do we think? Do we live? Do we laugh? Do we love?
Well, just as I thought, trash.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I promise by the next one, my eye won't be red anymore. Again, don't use Krylon eye blood with contacts in. Take them out. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and go ahead and leave a like and a comment on this video telling me what you guys want to see. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day, whether or not you're spending it with loved ones or by yourself. I know I'm gonna make it a lovely little moment on February 15th buying all that half-price candy. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace, divas!